Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Mahmoud. Today I will talk about a YouTube songs analysis project which I created with Microsoft Power BI. Let's take an overview of our project. First, the dataset contains key attributes such as video ID, channel title, description, tags, publish date, view count, like count, favorite count, comment count, video duration, video definition, and caption details, which I will explain in more detail in the next slide. Second, the goal is to utilize Power BI to create insightful visualization and reports that provide a deeper understanding of YouTube songs performance, popularity, and user engagement. Third, the analysis aims to uncover trends, preferences, and patterns in the data to aid content creator and stakeholder in optimizing their YouTube song content. Dataset description, video ID, which contain a unique identifier for each YouTube video. Channel title of the YouTube channel publishing the song. Title of the YouTube song video. Description provided for the YouTube song video. Tags associated with the YouTube song video. Published date and the time when the YouTube song video was published. View count, number of views received by the YouTube song video. Like count, number of likes received by the YouTube song video. Favorite count, number of times the YouTube song video has been marked as a favorite. Comment count, number of comments posted on the YouTube song video. Duration of the YouTube song video. Definition, video definition or quality. Caption, availability of captions for the YouTube song video. Let's move on to project objectives. In order to get to know it consists of 6 points. The first point, data cleaning and derivation. The second point, explanatory data analysis. The third point, content and channel analysis. The fourth point, temporal trends. The fifth point, user engagement insights. The sixth point, recommendation to enhance YouTube song video performance. I will tell you more in detail in the upcoming slides. Data cleaning and preparation. I did 4 steps: connecting Microsoft Power BI to our dataset, cleaning and pre-processing the dataset, handling missing values or outliers, convert relevant columns to appropriate data type, split columns. The published at column was separated to published date and published time columns, and also duration column to duration hour and duration minutes and duration second columns. I will explain them in the form of picture in the next slide. Here is the description column, which contains some values are empty, as I replaced them with the word none, which indicates that they are empty. I also separated the column called published at into both columns, published date and published time, as shown. I extracted the hours and minutes and seconds from the duration columns as shown, and also collected them using this format. Let's move the second point, which is EDA, which is an abbreviation for explanatory data analysis. This point revolves around 2 points. 1. Explore patterns and distribution in view count and like count and comments. 2. Identify trends in the popularity and engagement of YouTube song videos. Let's start with some charts that answer them with certainty, such as distribution of likes across videos, where the distribution is right skew, and also in the second chart called distribution of comments across video. We come here to another distribution which is similar to the previous two, as it's called the distribution of likes across videos. We also have a scatter plot, which is about interaction patterns between views versus likes and comments. We also notice here that this point contains the largest rate of likes, and this point contains the largest number of views. Of course, these points refer to the title of the videos. We come here for both important charts, and the first one, trend in view count over time. We note that the largest number of views occurred in 2018. On the other hand, this line chart shows the trend in likes over time, which shows that the highest rate of likes is in 2019. Here is also the line chart for the trend in comments over time, which explains that the highest rate of comments was in the year 2019. On the other hand, here I combined the 3 together as shown, which definitely shows us the same result. We move to the third point, which is content and channel analysis, which consists of 2 points. 1. Analyze the distribution of videos across different channels. As is clear from the data, it contains one channel, which is the T-series. 2. Identify popular tags and their correlation with view counts. On the right side, there is a chart that answers popularity trends by video duration based on the definition. It is SD, which is an abbreviation for standard definition. On the left side, here is the distribution of views for the channel, which is exactly the same as what we talked about before in slide number 8, because we have one channel in the data, as I mentioned. Here is the video quality distribution by views chart, which shows that the videos that achieve the highest views are definitely HD. On the other side is the chart for total views for videos with caption over time. The largest value is in September 2019, which is close to 1 billion. Here are 3 cards that show the total likes and total comments and views as well. We move on to dealing with the keywords, as these 2 charts are the same, but the type of chart in them is different. Let's us start the first, the pie chart, which is the top 10 popular tags by views. The highest percentage is definitely for the T-series tags, followed by the Hindi song tag, then the Bollywood song tags, etc. On the other hand, the percentages are in the form clustered column chart, which certainly explains the rest of the tags. Let's us move to the bottom of the slide. Why is the number of views so high? Let me explain it in the next slide. As you know, one video contains many tags that are one of the reasons for getting views, but I wanted to calculate the total views for each tag separately. So I called up these 2 columns in the Power Query editor in order to separate them based on the column, and then create unpivot columns so that they appear in this way, which will certainly be for all rows, and then apply the group by function to them in order to collect the values for each tag individually, and therefore the total number of views for the tags is equal to 5.7 trillion views. We come here to the 4th point, which is temporal trends, which is divided into points. 1, explore how YouTube song videos metrics vary over time. 2, identify peak publishing time and their impact on engagement. We start with the line chart that shows peak publishing time and their impact on engagement, 30 million views. We move to the second chart, which shows the trends in YouTube song videos metrics over time. I calculated it at the month level as shown. Here is the equation for average views, which has certainly been reformulated to average likes and comments. We also know that the highest value in April 2019. We move to the next slide. This slide answered 2 important questions. The first, monthly view count distribution. The highest view rate was in May 2011. The second is view distribution by hour throughout the day, where the highest views are at the hour 5 a.m. As we mentioned in the previous slide, we were talking about the average views and not the entire views as in the case here. We also wanted to know the most important days that receive the largest amount of views, and this is what the chart called the daily analysis of successful publishing time. I combined the years with the months with the hour and calculated the average views for each of them, as the largest percentage appeared in the month of May 2011, as we mentioned in the previous slide. Here is also a slide showing the average interaction during the month and the year for all averages. This is similar to the chart that I talked about in slide number 15, which had the highest value in the month of April. We move to the 5th point, which will be titled User Engagement Insights. I will answer 2 points. The first point is investigate relationship between likes and comments and views. The second point is identify factors in influencing user engagement with YouTube song and videos. The period with the largest ratio is certainly 4/27, as we mentioned before in slide number 11. On the other hand, this chart shows the relationship between likes and comments and views. Let's us move to the point of recommendation, which is our last point. I will talk about 10 points to enhance YouTube song video performance. 1. Optimize video titles and description. 2. Utilize effective tags. 3. Publishing time optimization. 4. Engage with audience feedback. 5. Video duration and content quality. 6. Promotion and distribution. 7. Data-driven decision making. 8. SEO and discovery. 9. Experimentation and innovation. 10. Monitor competitors. Finally, thanks for watching.